this is me new video. Haven't done one before on YouTube. Just like to say hi to all the new people. Hopefully you subscribe to my channel. This is all about V8s and Holdens basically. I've got a Holden VY 2004 Commodore SV8. 5.7 litre V8. Currently it's got an OTR, cold air intake. But yeah, this is pretty much just the start of it. Just want to say hi and show you my car and probably go over it a bit and go from there. This is what I call Christina. Had a lot of bad stuff happen with it, but it's all sorted now. So I got some. These came with the car itself when I bought it. Just a little bit of work to be done on it, but yeah, overall it's an awesome car. It's a bit dirty at the moment, but that's okay. Give it a good wash later. Give it a bit of a scrub. Yeah. Very quick car. My very first V8. But lots of things to be done. I'll just show you the side of the car. Oh, hang on. No, I can't. It's locked. I'll have to get the keys later. May do another video. Thought I'd just show you the car itself. So yeah, it's very runs on 98. It's been tuned for 98 fuel. But yeah, that's the Christina car that I'm talking about. Awesome car. Just, yeah, awesome to drive. Handles corners quite well. Very quick when you need to put that power down. Like I said, it's my very first V8, coming from a Mazda Demio 1300cc to a 5.7 litre V8. Yeah, a bit of power difference, so it's quite good actually. But yeah, hopefully I get a lot of subscribers. There's plenty more to come. I'll be showing the engine probably in the next video. Then after that, the interior, the things I've done to it so far. Just a lot of money that needs to go into it. Probably another paint job. A few scratches here and there, but that's okay. Does me quite well. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.